What's up guys? Long time no see. It's your boy Mato MTL. Today I got something special for us. We've got some brand new sneakers from New Regime and Puma. Brand new collab that just came out. And a little something to go with it. As you guys can see, I'm already fitted in my New Regime clothing. I've got the full tracksuit going on with some Nike SB Dunks. So with that said, let's get to the review. It's been quite a while, but I had to come out of hibernation to show you guys some of my favorite pieces from Atelier New Regime, which is a boutique in Montreal. They do a lot of like higher end streetwear type stuff, and it's really good. They recently did a collab with Puma, which was a very first for them. This is one of their biggest mainstream brand collabs that they've ever done, so it's very interesting. And I was excited to see the pieces as they were dropping, some of the hints and the teasers, so I was paying really close attention to this, and I was excited when they dropped. As you guys saw outside, I have two items that I managed to pick up. One of them was the Ren Boot, which is a brand new sneaker slash snowboard inspired boot shoe that came out for the fall winter collection. It was a definite must cop for me because of this being their first big collab and wanting to support a local boutique that's been doing great killer stuff with good quality materials, and I thought the Ren Boot was extremely innovative. The features on it are crazy, and I do have to admit I opened the box up a little early just because I had to see what they were all about. If you follow me on Instagram, I did an Instagram live unboxing of the shoe, but not a full unboxing, kind of just like one shoe and looking a little bit at some of the features. We're gonna do a full unboxing right here with you guys now. I picked up a little sweater as well to go with the sneaker, and again, innovation right there. In the hoodie you have a built-in face mask that's either orange or black depending on how you reverse it. So I thought it was extremely interesting what they managed to do with this collab. They kind of took the opportunity and they seriously went to the fences with it. They ran with it, and it came out really well in my opinion. So here is the sneakers box, and New Regime branding right here in white and orange. You've got your size tag right there and the description of the Ren Boot as well. Let's pop this baby up. We've got some interesting details here on the paper. You've got your Puma and New Regime branding all along it. I did pre-open these before. There was a lot of white paper over it, so I just kind of had to take it all out. And here they are. These are the Ren Boots. And they also come with extra laces that are kind of like this off-whitish, greenish color that the shoe is done in. Pretty cool. But I think I'm gonna keep these camo laces. Whoops. As you can see, these are the ones that I opened up. This is the New Regime Puma Ren Boot. First of all, you've got your camo laces. Simple plastic lace tips. Nothing special, nothing fancy. Sometimes keep it simple, stupid, right? Now you've got your removable upper. Typically, this is all laced through, so you have to do a little bit of unlacing to get this guy free. As you can see right here, you would have to unlace these and these, and then pop this snap off in the back to get this. This is the low top, I guess you could call it, version of the shoe. You have a very thick and kind of gritty tread, which is perfect for fall winter. I have to admit, the sole is extremely heavy. I mean, it's not as heavy as like a Balenciaga Triple S, but this thing is pretty damn heavy, which is, there's no complaints on my end. It's great for exactly what it's built for, fall winter wear. You also have sort of like a neoprene type sock. You have a protected zipper, which is sort of like a rubberized or winterized type zipper. So it comes down nice and smooth, and it also goes up nice and smooth. A little bit of resistance, but nice and smooth, you know, there's no interruptions that can get caught in the zipper based on the way that it's made. And it opens up like this. Here we have a weather resistant type toe box, which is absolutely great for, again, fall winter wear. This feels like a nubuck with a printed Puma logo on the inside of this shoe, and on the outside of this one you have the New Regime logo right here with the Puma swoosh over it. And the swoosh is done in a suede. Here's your button snap, and again some more double branding on the heel tab. What I found really interesting about this shoe as well was that the shoe itself has hidden Puma logos, like right here. And I found another one here. So sometimes they're hard to spot, but which is great because you don't want to kill it with over branding. So they hid some of the Puma logos in the winter camo that they used on the shoe, and I found that was a great choice, extremely interesting. And yeah, so I love that. And then you also have Puma branding right here on the back of the shoe. Now, with the upper, if you want to put your foot into this, these are the steps you have to do. First, you may or may not want to undo this. You don't have to. You'll want to unvelcro the green part. Then you're going to pull that open. Next, you have to pull open this part. Then you're going to want to undo the zipper. Now you're gonna have to try and get it as low as you can. Sometimes the laces block it depending on how high you lace your shoe. Open it up. We're gonna take out ankle padding and then the foot padding and then the toe padding. Et voila. So that's the Puma and New Regime Ren Boot. Extremely interesting in terms of all the features that they managed to throw on this shoe. I love the fact that you can wear it down as a shoe like this, or that you can wear it up as a high top. It's great to have because you can customize it with your outfit depending on how you're feeling. You want to go a little bit heavier, a little bit more heavy duty, go with this. You want to go a little bit more light, a little bit more casual wear because it goes with your outfit a bit better. Less colors, less camo, go with this. This is a clean, easy wear. And yeah, that's about it for the Puma Ren Boot. The next thing I got to kind of complement my outfit and anything that was going to go with the Ren Boot was this. The Puma and New Regime hoodie. This was one of the items that was in the collection, and it's a pretty great piece. I got this baby for about $185 with tax Canadian, so not too bad. And the Ren Boot came in at about $350. It was $299 with Canadian Quebec tax, so came in about $350 Canadian. So let's take a look at the sweater. You got your co-branding right here on the chest, your New Regime logo on the left breast side, and on your right breast side you have the Puma logo. Here is your hood, and on the inside of the hood you can see this is a built-in face mask to kind of cover you up right here. It almost makes like a makeshift balaclava, which is pretty cool. And depending on how you flip it, you have the orange side with the Atelier New Regime and Puma branding, or you have the black side. And you can wear it either way, which is pretty cool. Moving on to the rest of the hoodie, you have a little pocket built in here on the inside flap. So you just kind of lift this up, and it's a giant pocket right here on the stomach. On the arms, you have your Puma logo in orange, right here. And on the left arm, you have your New Regime logo, right here. On your back, you have the Puma logo in a big bold font right here in the back. And when the hoodie is fully extended and worn up, you can see the co-branding once again. So basically, you have co-branding on this hoodie at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. You have it about 5 times on this hoodie, and it still looks great. So I'm gonna throw the hoodie on, and I'm gonna throw on the sneakers, and you can judge for yourselves whether you guys think this is hot or not. Let me know in the comments below. And also let me know what you guys think about the collection overall. I think it's pretty on point, and it's a great use of Puma's resources. They built a ton of shoes, but I really feel that the Ren Boot is the most innovative and the best use of the resources that Puma gave New Regime to sort of create sneakers. So with that said, I'm gonna let you guys leave me your opinions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I'll see you guys next time. This is Matto MTL. Thank you guys for supporting. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. Have a good one.